Good morning children. Today I will show you how to draw a bird. Write a title a bird, write today's date. For this you have to draw. Good morning children. Today I will show you how to draw a bird. Write a title a bird, write today's date. For this, first you have to keep your pencil here. For this you have to keep a paper in a standing way. Means vertical way you have to keep the paper and draw a bird. Keep your pencil here and draw one slanting line. Give a little bit curve shape here and one V shape. Again you have to keep your pencil here and draw one slanting line. And now big curve shape and join it here. Now big you have to draw and draw one more between line. Oval shape and eye. And now here you have to draw slanting lines 1, 2 and 3 slanting lines. Join this with the curve lines in between. Again you have to draw 2 curve lines. Here you have to give a curve shape and join this. And slanting lines. Here you have to draw legs. And now you have to show a branch of a tree. For this, start drawing one slanting line from here. After drawing this, you have to color this picture. For this bird you have to use, here you have to use yellow color and here purple color and yellow color. And for this branch of a tree you can use brown and green color. After coloring, your picture will look like this.